How to add product categories in Wix. Here we are going to use the search bar from within the Wix website editor, and we are going to search for category. You will be able to see this option for store categories. So we just want to click on open here to the side. So once we have selected this, then this will be empty for you, but I already have one category here. But I'm going to show you how you can create a new one. You will click on this blue button for a new category. Then you can name it, for example, beauty products, if I can spell. And here you will write a header description if you would like, as well as you can add a category image here. So after you have filled out this information, you will click on add products, and let's pretend like this is a beauty product. You want to select it from your list of products, and you will click on add here. You can also add multiple products by clicking on this button here. And basically, after you have set this up, you will save it. And now you will have created product categories on Wix. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.